Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. We are on the hunt for the best cashback card of 2024. So we are going to be looking at the Chase Freedom Unlimited. We're going to be looking at the pros and cons and kind of what you need to know about this card. And like I said, we are on the hunt for the best card. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe because we're almost at 10 subscribers. So don't you want to be the 10th subscriber? Go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. Do it right now. Yes, take 30 seconds because it's free for you to do that. Do it right now. All right. Let's dive into this here. So this is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So this is one of the most popular cards in America, which is crazy. This is backed by Chase, obviously, which is one of the largest financial institutions in the entire world. So you know they're not going anywhere anytime soon. You know they make a bunch of money. But anyways, why a lot of people love this card here is because of pretty much this right here. Right off the get-go, you guys can earn up to $150 in the first 3 months if you spend $500. So going out to eat, filling up your gas, getting groceries. I think nowadays, we all spend $500 a month on just like random stuff. So you can easily hit this bonus. You easily can hit this bonus. And the reason I love it too is because even if you can't pay it off, I think we've all been in a hard time. You know, it gives you 15 months to pretty much pay it off interest free. Obviously, this is going to be starting from the opening, the account opening on purchases and balance transfers. So after the 15-month period, this is where they're going to make their money. It's 20 to 29%. So that's a little steep. That's how much money they're going to be making off you. You know, if you have $100 in your account and you're not paying it off, expect to pay $20 to $29 per year in interest. So as you put it like that, that's a little high. This card here has no annual fee, which definitely incentivizes a lot more beginners to get this card, you know, because you don't have to worry about breaking even. You know, a lot of cards, like premium cards, you know, like the Venture X card, which is $395. You kind of have to worry like, all right, maybe I kind of have to, you know, spend a little bit on this card just so I can get some of the rewards. The thing about this card is you don't have to worry about it. Make sure you guys check out our link down below if you guys want to sign up for this card. Check it out down below. All right, but the reason I love it here is the cashback. This is the cashback series. So the reason I love it, let's move myself. Why am I on this side? The reason I love it here is you guys get 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and some delivery services. So 3% on a no annual fee card is awesome. On top of that, you guys get 3% back on drugstores, which is nice, right? But guys, this is why I love it. The travel. You know, I'm young. I like to travel as much as I can. 5% back on travel purchased through Chase Travel Portal, which is pretty decent. The Venture X card that I have on the flights and some vacation rentals, I get 5% back. So this has no annual fee. The Venture X card is $395. So it's very, very similar. And on top of that, you guys get 1.5% back on everything else. So I think that's really, really cool as well. And some additional perks here. So you have purchase protection. You have zero liability protection. You have some extended warranty protection. Free credit score, obviously. I think all banks and credit card companies do that. But fraud monitoring, that's important. If you guys travel, you guys will occasionally run a car. At least I do. This here has a auto rental collision damage waiver, which is nice, save you some money. Trip cancellation insurance, which is great. But more importantly, travel and emergency assistance services. So if something happens when you're on vacation, you have some assistance, you know, kind of getting you where you need to go. But this card here is definitely a card, in my opinion, suited for people that don't want to worry about an annual fee. Maybe you don't have maybe you don't have, a desire to travel, or you don't really want to maximize your purchases and care about it. You just want to kind of get some cash back when you feel like dining out, or really, doing stuff like that. I think that this card is a very, very beginner friendly card. Offers no freaking no it offers no, I can't even talk, no annual fee. I almost said frickin'. No annual fee. And I think that's really cool. I think that this card, in my opinion, if I was going to rate it out of 5 stars, it probably would be near around 4 stars. I think it's great. Maybe some of the promotions could be a little better, as well as a little bit more, per year incentivizing you to, get more stuff. But overall, it's a great card. If you guys want it, check it out down below. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.